This is a plain sheet of paper which is two-dimensional. And this is a table with a flat top. If this paper is kept on the table, it will occupy some place on the table. In short, it will occupy some place on a plane surface. Now look at this cuboid. It occupies three-dimensional space, something more than just a plane. This space that the cuboid takes up is called its volume. Its entire surface cannot lie on a plane at once. How do we find its volume? To understand that, we need to understand that every cuboid is made up of tiny little cubes. The volume of this little cube is 1 centimeter cubed or 1 cubic centimeter. Each edge is equal and is 1 centimeter in length. And this is the standard unit for measuring volume of small solids. If this big cuboid is made up of 20 such little cubes, then its volume would be 20 cubic centimeters. If it is made up of 10 such standard cubes, it will be 10 cubic centimeters. We will understand better with more examples. Look at this board. On its base, it has many white squares, each of side 1 centimeter. Let's also assume all the cubes which we will see have a volume of 1 cubic centimeter. And using these 1 cubic centimeter cubes, we will build cuboids and cubes and find their volumes. Let us form a cuboid first. We add 6 red cubes of 1 cubic centimeter on the board. This forms a cuboid, and because it is made up of 6 little cubes, its volume will be 6 cubic centimeters. Now let's modify this cuboid a bit. On top of it, we add 6 standard yellow cubes of volume 1 cubic centimeter. What we see on the board again is a cuboid. It has 12 cubes in all, 6 yellow and 6 red. So its volume is 12 cubic centimeters. Now here's something interesting. This is a cuboid with length 3 centimeters, breadth 2 centimeters and height 2 centimeters. 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 also gives us 12 cubic centimeters. Focus well, we're getting closer to the formula. 3 multiplied by 2 is the area of the base. So the volume of a cuboid actually equals the area of its base multiplied by its height. It can also be written as length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Let us test this formula. We add 6 green cubes on top. This is still a cuboid. Its height is 3 centimeters, length is 3 centimeters, and breadth is 2 centimeters. There are 2 ways to find its volume. First, count the number of cubes. And second, use the formula. It has 6 red, 6 yellow, and 6 green. 18 cubes in all, each of 1 cubic centimeter. Because there are 18 cubes of 1 cubic centimeter, the volume will be 18 cubic centimeters. Now let's see if the formula works. Area of the base is 3 centimeters multiplied by 2 centimeters and the height is 3 centimeters. 3 centimeters multiplied by 2 centimeters multiplied by 3 centimeters also gives us 18 cubic centimeters. The formula works fine. Here's one last example. Let's try adding 9 cubes at the side, 3 red ones, 3 yellow ones and 3 green ones. And guess what? We get a cube. In this cube, there are 27 little standard cubes. So the volume of this cube is 27 cubic centimeters. And 3 multiplied by 3, which is the area of the base, multiplied by 3, which is the height, also gives us 27 cubic centimeters.